The Stream API in Java 8 is a new addition to the Java Collections framework that provides a way to process collections of objects in a functional and parallel way. A stream represents a sequence of elements, and you can perform operations on elements in the stream, such as filtering, mapping, and reducing, and many other operations. One of the key benefits of Stream API is that it provides a concise and readable way to process collections of objects. For example, consider a collection of strings that you want to filter and then sort. With the Stream API, you can perform these operations in a single line of code. Here it is. One questions: streams and collections are the same? No, streams in Java are not collections. Streams are a new way of processing data in Java 8 and later versions. They provide a functional style API for processing collections and arrays of data. Streams are different from collections in several ways. Stream operations are performed only when a terminal operations is called, not when the stream is created. This can lead to more efficient processing, and as the intermediate operations can be combined and optimized. Streams are not collections, they don't store data. Instead, they provide a pipeline through which data can flow and operations can be performed on that data. Streams are immutable, meaning that once a stream is created, it cannot be modified. If you need to modify the data in a stream, you need to create a new stream from the modified data. Streams can be processed in parallel, making it easier to take advantage of multi-core processors. This can lead to significant performance improvements for some operations. In summary, streams are not collections, but they provide a way to process collections and arrays of data in a functional style, making it easy to write clean, concise, and efficient code. In Java, there are several ways to create a stream. You can create a stream from an existing collection such as list, set, or map by calling the stream method on the collection. For example, you can create a stream from a list like this. You can create a stream from an array by calling the stream method on the arrays class. Look at this example. You can create a stream from a file by using the files class and the lines method. You can create a stream using the stream.builder method. Here is an example of the stream builder. You can also create a stream of generated data using the stream.generate or stream.iterate methods. In this informative video, I have provided an overview of the concept of Java streams. I hope you found the content to be both engaging and educational. As we move forward, I will dive deeper into the subject matter and discuss various stream operations in detail. So be sure to stay tuned for the upcoming videos for a comprehensive understanding of this essential topic in Java programming.